To assemble the LAC TV stand, model 902-43297, place the top thick shelf upside down and attach the anti-tip bracket in the center with the two flathead screws. You can use either pair of holes depending on how far back you want the bracket. I'm building this on the cardboard from the packaging. Start the 4 double-sided wood screws into the pilot holes on all 4 corners. Line up the pilot hole in the leg over the wood screw and tighten it down. Repeat with the other legs. Use the provided guide to mark the location of the shelf support. You can use a nail or scratch awl to make a mark. Place the guide edges against the bottom and left edge of each leg with the stand on its short end. Screw in the 4 shelf supports through the small circular hole, using the long pan head screws. Set the smaller shelf over the shelf supports with the pilot holes over the shelf supports. Attach the shelf with the 4 small pan head screws. The TV stand comes with a keyhole bracket and a decorative cover for the anti-tip bracket.